Hello students, today we see class 5th subject EVS first methods of preserving food. In the last video we see the food material we used throughout the year and the foods or the grains which we have to use, they produce only certain time of the years, and that foodstuffs we use throughout the year without getting spoiled. Now, in the last part of that video, we see 4 questions. So, one by one, today again we will see these 4 questions. Question number 1: when do we say that the foodstuffs is spoiled? What changes are seen in it? When the foodstuff we say foodstuff get spoiled, when we see white, black or greenish fibers on the foodstuffs and black patches on the surface of food substances, then we can say that that foodstuff is spoiled, isn't it? When we see white, black and green fibers on the surface of food material, or the black patches of the black patches on the food material, then we can say that that foodstuffs get spoiled, isn't it? Then another question is the time in which foodstuffs get spoiled different in different seasons? Yes. In the summer, foodstuffs get spoiled quickly, and in the winter season we can use more time because of the temperature, isn't it? Then question number 3: which foodstuffs spoil most quickly? The foodstuffs having more water quantity, that spoil quickly. How more water quantity means what? Which type of food material? That is the milk, mango pulp, juices, curries, vegetables having the more water quantity. That's why such type of foodstuffs get spoiled quickly, isn't it? And the question number 4: what measures are taken to keep the foodstuffs in the house in good condition for as long as possible? Which type of measures we do or we use to prevent the food materials from spoiling? So there are different types of methods we use in our house. So first of all, we see first measure, that is the drying. Drying means what? Vadavne. In this measure, we dry all the grains in the summer and then preserve it, then store it. Why the grains are dried in the summer in the heat? Because in the grain there are water quantities, and due to the heat of sun the water quantity is evaporated, and that's why that dried grains can be stored throughout the year. That's why first of all, before storing the food grains, it dried in the summer season. As well as mango not, onion and potatoes also dried in the summer, because it's the same. The water quantity in the potato and the onion get evaporated, and there is no water quantity, and that's why that onion and potato can also be preserved and storing throughout the year, and we can use throughout the year, isn't it? Then second is boiling. In this measure, like the liquid substances like the milk, curries, vegetables, mango pulp, etc. They are spoiled quickly. And if you have to preserve it, we boil it time to time. Because milk is a such type of food material which is spoiled quickly. If we do not boil, then it can be spoiled quickly. That's why such type of substances which having the liquid quantities is more, then they put boil again in order to prevent the spoiling, isn't it? Then third one is, that is cooling. Cooling means what? Cooling means thanda karne. In order to preserve the food material, we also use the refrigerator. Use of refrigerator. Why? Because the refrigerator's temperature is maintained below the normal temperature, and in that temperature microorganism does not grow on that food material, and we can use more and more time by this cooling, isn't it? Again, fourth number, that is prevent from and cockroaches, other insects, rats, cats, etc. Means what? Prevent from ants, cockroaches, other insects, rats, cats, etc. The food material is take care that the food material can be does not contact with the ants, cockroaches, other insects, rats, cats, etc. Because these are all the destroy the food. That's why take care that we can prevent from the food material from ant, cockroaches, other insects, rats, cats, etc. Isn't it? So these are all about today's topic. Next topic we will see in another video. Thank you.